yung mga what ifs and what nots ninyo kay Ate Cams. So, unahin ko muna sa tanong ko. Di ba nagtanong ako kanina? Sorry guys ha, kasi I was like, magdi-dinner sana ako. Sorry. It was just the only way na sana napatagal yung discussion ni ate. Uy, joke lang. Baka sabihin niya nilalaglag ko siya. Ayan. So, sige. Uh, what I asked earlier was that if this question piques you is to find yung pinaka maliit na number. Pinaka maliit na positive number. Wait lang. Wag niyo muna i-record guys ha. Okay. No recording please. So, hanapin yung pinakamaliit na number na divisible from 1 to 10. Okay. Kanina, ulitin ko lang ha. Lahat ng numbers ay divisible kay 1. Lahat ng even numbers ay divisible kay 2. Lahat ng numbers na kapag pinag-add natin yung digits, divisible kay 3, is divisible by 3. And similarly, ganun na din for the other um, numbers. Pero sige, so before that, let's sit back and relax and enjoy how we solve this question. Okay. Ayan. Um, so before we answer this question, let us get to know these numbers a little bit more. So you have this one, and this one can only be expressed. Uh, this is neither prime nor composite. So 1 equals 1. Wala tayong magagawa. There's nothing fun or walang interesting masyado kay 1. 2, sige, 1 times 2, ibig sabihin, prime si 2. So 3, that's 1 times 3. Okay? And 4 equals 1 times 2 squared. Ang ibig ko sabihin dito is, wait lang. Wait. Sige. So 5 is 2 times 5. Then 6 is 2 times 3. 7 is 1 times 7. 8 is, how about I remove the ones na lang pala. Yan. So 1, 2, 3, 2 squared. 2 squared to lose you. Whee! So, yeah, 7, then 2. Dahil 8 is equals to 4 times 2, 2 cubed. So 9 is equals to 3 times 3, 3 squared. Guys, sorry for that abrupt delay. Yan. So 10, sorry. 1 times 5 pala to. Ayan. So 10 equals 2 times 5. Yan. So it's important for you to know na because we have these divisibility rules, alam dapat natin na dito nang gagaling yung fact kung bakit divisible ang numbers kay 2, 3, Hindi. Bakit divisible by 6? Kasi divisible siya by 2. And 3. Take note of the word, wait, naka-on cam ba ako? End, ha? Quote-unquote, end. Because we are expressing 6 as a product of 2 and 3. Okay? So paano natin malalaman yung smallest number? So ano ba ang anong relevant or anong sense ng mga pinagsusulat ko na to? So gagamitin ko ito para malaman, syempre yung number, 'di ba? Kailangan natin nung pinaka least eh. Okay? And one thing that hints us for this is what we call the LCM or the least common multiple. And yes, least common multiple. So example, you have these numbers 12 and 18. Ang least common multiple nila is yung pinakamaliit na number na divisible sa 12 and 18. Or per se, na kapag dinivide mo, ang resulta is isang whole number. Okay? And for this case, ang least common multiple natin ay 36. Kasi 36 divided by 12 is 3. Okay? And then 36 divided by 18 is 2. Ayan. So ano ang significance nito para sa atin? So again, we will just go back into these two numbers. So 12 and 18 are both divisible by 2, right? So 2 times 6 times 9. Ngayon, we have these numbers on the top. So we can express this 6 further as 2 times 2 times 3. And that equals 2 times 3 times 3. Or 3 squared. Ika nga kanina. Sige. And here you go. 2 squared times 3. And then 2 times 3 squared. So, paano ba makukuha ang LCM na to? So, what I am trying to say here or ipaliwanag sa inyo is that we can analyze the powers of 2 and the powers of 3. Yun yung mahalagang element for here. And the LCM, okay? So we will start first from the powers of 2. So ang pinakamataas dito, yung power is 12 kasi meron siyang 2 squared. So yung LCM natin, ibig sabihin, ang factors niya or pag finactor natin halimbawa, ito yung exponent or power, baga. So 2 squared times, okay, ipasa tayo sa 2 and you have 3 and 3 squared. Again, this is like 2. So 3 squared. So ang hinanap ko, ang pinili ko is yung higher power. Higher power, kasi kung makikita mo dito, 36 divided by 12 is 3, di ba? So, ang LCM, or ibig sabihin, nito, kung i-multiply natin si 3, ay si 12 kay 3, makukuha natin si 36. Or, mapupunta tayo sa form na ito ng LCM natin. And, itong LCM natin is equals to, guys, mag-calculator na lang kayo ha. So, 36. Okay lang mag-calculator dito, guys. No worries. I'm explaining concepts here. And, okay. So, since tapos na tayo dito sa I have already explained how LCM works. You take the highest powers of the exponent para makuha mo yung 36. Ngayon, babalik tayo sa 1 to 10 na yun. Ang gusto kong exponent, ang gusto kong factors nung number na yun is manggagaling dito sa 10 ito. Okay? And bibilangin ko lang ulit. So, if that number, sige, sabihin natin n yung number niya. Okay? Hindi pa natin alam eh. So, lahat ng prime numbers, okay? Prime ha, important ang prime numbers. So, 2, 3, 5, 7. Yan yung mga numbers na, yung mga prime numbers na mas maliit kay 10. So, ano naman ang exponent? So, tiningnan na natin dito, di ba? Kinuha ko yung highest exponent. So, dito sa examples natin, meron tayong, kung titingnan natin kay 2, ang may pinakamalaking exponent dito ay 3 o yung 2 raised to 3. Okay? Si 2 may 2. Si 4 may 2 squared. Si 8 may 2 cubed. So, ang n natin ay may factor na 2 cubed. Sunod, si square. Si square naman, ayan, so 3, 3 squared. Automatic na yan. And then, meron pa ba? For 5. So, isa lang naman ang 5 dito. And, yan, 5, 5. Ito pala, kapag wala kayong nakikitang exponent, naka-raise siya sa 1. As well as these. Okay? 1, 1. And bakit 1? Kasi wala naman tayong nakitang 5 na naka-square dito. So, lang ilalagay natin. Or at least dito sa prime factorization. So ngayon, gamit ng calculator natin, try nyo i-simplify ito. Anong lalabas sa inyo? Hindi. Product. Kasi naghanap tayo ng LCM eh. Ayun, may nakita na ako. Yan. So times pala, sorry. Yan. Times. Sige na. So 8 times 9 times 5 times 7 equals 2,520. And you can indeed verify na divisible ito, number na to, from 1 to 10. Okay? So, di tayo nang hula. We systematically identify this using yung LCM. Yeah. And hooray! Tapos na yung ano ko. Na-download na din siya. So, let's erase that thing muna for a while. Sige. Send ko na lang sa inyo yan, guys, sa mga GCs.
Stop ko muna. Ayusin lang nila yung recording ba? Hindi na-record yung kanina.
Anong hindi na-record yung kanina?
Hindi, no. Na-record yun, kuya.
Ay,
I-check. I-double check lang if may sound.
If may audio.